Let's cut the fluff. You've got goals, dreams, visions that keep you up at night. Maybe it's the body, the business, the bank account, the life you know you're capable of living. But every year passes, and there's this gap, this space between where you are and where you want to be. So here it is, no sugarcoating, no hype. The blueprint, in under 2 minutes. Not motivational fluff, not feel-good quotes, just the raw process to get it done. Step 1. Make it real. If your goal lives only in your mind, it dies there too. Write it down. Make it specific. Get in shape isn't a goal. Lose 20 pounds by the 1st of August is. Start a business isn't a goal. Launch my online store and make my first sale in 30 days is. Your brain doesn't chase ideas, it chases targets. Give it a bullseye. Step 2. Shrink the mountain. Big goals paralyze small minds. You need to break it down. What's the next physical action? Not a fantasy, not a mood, a real move. If the goal is a book, the action is write 300 words today. If it's a 6-figure income, the action is send 5 cold emails. Stop waiting for motivation. That's the last thing that shows up. Action comes first. Clarity comes second. Momentum? That's the reward. Step 3. Schedule it, or shut up. If it's not on your calendar, it's not real. Period. Treat your goals like doctor appointments you can't miss. Like oxygen. Like something you don't cancel for anyone. Because if your future matters, it has to be non-negotiable. Step 4. Expect pain. Yeah, expect it. Because every meaningful goal comes with resistance. You will doubt yourself. You will fail. You will want to quit. But here's the cheat code. Expect it anyway. Pain is the cost of growth. Discomfort is the tuition you pay to evolve. So when it shows up, don't flinch. Smile. Because you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Step 5. Track the damn thing. What you measure, you master. If you don't track progress, you'll trick yourself into thinking nothing's happening. Track the workouts. Track the money. Track the calls, the calories, the days you show up. Success isn't about feelings, it's about facts, data, discipline, execution. Step 6. Protect the environment. You can't outwork a toxic space. Unfollow the distractions. Leave the noise. Surround yourself with people who push, not pull. Your environment is either feeding your fire or flooding it. Choose wisely. And the final step, don't break the chain. The game is consistency. 1 win every day. Stack enough of those, and your entire life changes before you even notice it. Because the truth is, success isn't a lightning bolt. It's a slow burn, a fire you feed one choice at a time. There it is, the blueprint. Write the goal, break it down, schedule it, expect pain, track it, control your environment, stay consistent. That's how anyone, yes, anyone achieves anything. You don't need more time. You don't need more talent. You just need to start today like your future depends on it. Because it does.